Kanega du dashin Meghalaya ban ngip liang sau bhai phi baro shakani thup khubor man taka janmiet shwaban phash ki khubor ki babania nginya pet shwai ki mat bakong san. Penrem Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi yaki kampen trim ha pahalgam ha ka program man ki bad. Penkub bor ka rozgar mela yaki samla ha Meghalaya daka shithi thungkam sarkar. Om Kenkor ke NPP ya ke jingkiu jong ka VPP Harilom Jantia banjur halor ke jing job shimet jong ki MDC. Penmi ka Forgotten Folklore Project Fellowship ya ki arpau tali ki kot thamai halor ka kolshor na ka benta ki khenna. Bat ka jing perking ki pulit bantalasi ka khanglat ki trok ki bom yo jing bit ban ya na ka surok maulendem. Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi hab ai jingkren shikinong shong shnong kari ha ka program man ki bat ulapan rem jur ya ka jing sha thombor badangshen ha pahalgam bat pintikna bakinong le kam sniu kin mat ya ka jing sha penshitom ka bating e. Ula banjur ya ka jing donkam jong ka jing yatali jong ka jat benriu ha ka biya le persha ya ki kam le no. Modi ula ken ma burom ru ya ustad sayan u Dr. K. Kasturi Rangan ha ka ba upen pa ya ki jing job jong ka India ha ki kam hau Kintop ya ka Chandrayaan 3 bat ka Mars Orbiter Mission bat ula yaro ru ya ka jing kieu jong ka tanat hau. Nalor kata Modi ula yaro ya ka jing yarap jong ka India ha Myanmar hadian ka jing khnyo jumai bat pen I ya ki nuksa jong ka but thamai kum ka jing rep so Apple ha Karnataka bat ka jing thung sintieu ha Himachal Pradesh. Ula rakhi ru ya ka jing dap shisnem jong ka Champaran Satyagraha ha ka ba ula kintu ya ki samla ban pethu na ka jing ya khun lai lu jong ka ri India.
भारत के हम लोगों में जो आक्रोश है वो आक्रोश पूरी दुनिया में है। इस आतंकी हमले के बाद लगातार दुनिया भर से संवेदनाएं आ रही हैं। मुझे भी ग्लोबल लीडर्स ने फोन किए हैं, पत्र लिखे हैं, संदेश भेजे हैं। इस जघन्य तरीके से किए गए आतंकी हमले की सबने कठोर निंदा की है। उन्होंने मृतकों के परिवारजनों के प्रति संवेदनाएं प्रकट की है। पूरा विश्व आतंकवाद के खिलाफ हमारी लड़ाई में 140 करोड़ भारतीयों के साथ खड़ा है। मैं पीड़ित परिवारों को फिर भरोसा देता हूं, उन्हें न्याय मिलेगा, न्याय मिलकर रहेगा।
Haga rozgar mela kabla penlong ha State Convention Center ha Shillong la sakhi ya ka jing IT ya ki san phawei tali ki shithi thongkam shaki samla bawan shakhmat na ka benta ki kirdan bapher ha ka Geological Survey of India, Income Tax Department, Postal Services but Railways. Ka jingalang ka balong shibenta jong ka jing thmu jong ka sarkar padeng ban kentiu ya ka yo kam yo jam. Hakaba Menteri Khana ki kambari ba textiles u Pabitra Margarita ula long kum ukongsan ula jer ya ka rozgar mela kum ka dak jong ka jing shania ba jing plelat dak ba pinksan ba kini ki benta ki long ki linti sha ka jing shakri ba jing kala Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi ru ula ai jing kren hakane ka jingalang lengba ka video bat sam palat san phawei hajar tali ki shithi thongkam haki sau phunyo tali ki jaka hakari baro ka wei.
Today, Honorable Prime Minister Paramadevi Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji distributed 51,000 appointment letters to the successful youths in 46 different venues. And here also in the state of Meghalaya, the capital town of Shillong, I had the opportunity to be present to listen to the inspiring speech of Honorable Prime Minister, and he inspired our new generation, and he says that this is not only a job. Through this, the youth will now contribute for the nation building also.
Unong ilam ke NPP uwailat miki shilla ulapen pawe ke jing bom kenkor ya ke jing kiu jong ka VPP Hajanta Hills da ka baong baki babun ki MDC jong ki job election kade ke jing la jong ki om ke jing aso obat keseng uba shilla ula kedau baswa ke election MDC kiladon ki jing ngau kia baka VPP kala ban sinshar ke Hajanta Hills henry ke NPP kadang yalam ya ke executive committee KHASI ulaken tho ru halor ke jinglong nong yalam jong ka VPP minta ha ka KHASI da ka bapin pau baki briu ki pet beniap ha ban yo i laki la an em ban pendep ya ki jingkular jongki.
No doubt means VPP has come in, even though with the we hear the news before the MDC election, we thought that many people think that the VPP will sweep Hajanta Hills, even more than KHASI Hills. But when the result comes, you have seen it yourself that the VPP won only 8 seats, and then means like till now the EC in district council it's still run by the NPP EC. So and moreover, like out of those 8 also, I've seen that many candidates were won based on their individual capacity, not in the name of the party.
Lapin kut no ya ka Forgotten Folklore Project Fellowship arhajar arpasan hinin kesngi ha Hotel Vivanta da ka bapin mi ya ki arphotuli ki kot thamai halor ka kolshor na ka benta ki khenna ka bapin pawi ki ktien ki kolshor bat ki jing itho ya ka than chate lami ngi mentri ka katanat pule puthi urakam sangma habakren ha ka ne ka jing yalang ula banjur ya ka jing don kam jong ka jing itho khana ha ka bapin ne pensa ya ka pateng bat ula ai jing mut ban kintiu ya ka pule ya ka ktien ha padeng ki jaj ban riau KHASI bat garu kane ka jing sedang ka bahan riau benai ka bela kershan da ka Nach Institute bat Pratham Books Story Weaver kala penya so lang yaki nong tho bat ki nong dro dur na kaleng kathan chatela mi ngi hapo ka jingalam jong ka Saura Mandala Foundation.
Normally we expect this kind of enthusiasm, this kind of patience about story and all these things from the all people. But I've seen today the gifted ambition, the gifted patience in the young minds of the country. It's really amazing to see. So therefore, Prince, you are more than about the storytelling or writing about the books here and there.
When I grew up, basically, we had stories, I wouldn't lie, but these stories were orally told and not well documented. So I believe like with the project like the Forgotten Folklore, it promotes a lot more like, for children to be able to have access to these books, to be able to have access to culturally relevant books in particular, because when we look at today's children, basically, they're more inclined to using more of technology. They don't reach out to books anymore. So we're trying to inculcate that environment, that culture of reading as well for children. And
Kinong nya trok ki bapersya ya kajing penkala ya kalinti yat kila bateng banyang lan ha National Highway 44E ha Mairam bat ki jaka ba marjan harian kajing betha jong ka Deputy Commissioner ban penkala linti yat ya ki kali he lengba ka mau rengkeneng ha ka jaka jong ka surok mau lendep lat umsau harian kajing tuklar jong ka nyau trap youth council la ai jing bit ya ki trok kit marbam ban pendon kam ya kalinti belakang Henry ha ka arpusantrik uyayong ki pulit kila pentre kam ting ya ka te ka hukum da ka bakhang lat yaki trop ki bakit yaki mar ki mata ki bom don kam kirki ban rung wat la persang ban yai lat yaki jingkhang kinong nya trop ki kentho ba ka jing yai na mau ring keneng ka kham bam phnyang bat penduna ya ka jing yo
tu gaya mut banyak bilang ni
MLA ka Jawai uba wailat miki shilla lapen bana ba ka jing shna ya ka mini secretariat ha Jawai kala jan dep watla ki don ki jing ki badang sa habas dang lashna ban syakri tang lai tali ki blok na marga jing duna pisa henry uba shilla ula kerpat ya mentri rang ba ban kentiu ya ki jing syakri syabaro ki blok Ula pentik naru bagajing sna ya ka yaw musiang kabla sa teng la slem kelas dang hakajing penlut kaba arpun riu klur tengka kabla mang pisa nakapisa jong kajela. Ya kani ka project lamang ningkong dakatanat donor Henry kelasakut namar kijing e. Las dang pentray biang ya ka hadien ba uba shela ula penbor ban mang nakasorkar jela.
Later on, due to it's very difficult to get the sanction back from the donor ministry due to these issues. So that's why I urged the government under the leadership of our chief minister and have requested him for the new sanction. Then I'm very thankful to him and to the government that they have sanctioned 26 crore for this project, for the completion of this project. So the work already started. Right now, it is going well. I have been continuously visited the site, and the work progress is very good. And I'm hopeful. The work completion was supposed to be 24 months, but I'm very confident that before the time limit, the work will be done.
Ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association kalapan paw ya kajing Sngokia halor kajing Perking belabo da ka District Magistrate Eastern West KHASI Hills kabakang ya ki truck ban kit palat Khandaiton ban pindan kam ya ka surok na mau maram shalat umsaw. U President ka kinhon uba Moxlander Marngar ula kedaw bakane kajing bu put ban kit ya ki mar kalabu jing e kamtam na kabenta kitu ki truck kiblak khia pa Khandaiton wat hakapor bakathali. Ula maj pang bagadi ka surok kalong ka bakongsan ban penpoy ya ki mar ki mata ki bakongsan. Uba marngar ula banjur ya kajing donkam nakabenta ki bor sinshar ban perkhat ya kajing kta ya ki nong nya trok ban maham ban penlong ya kajing yaki hasurok lada omla ban penben.
Kedur dan maksimum ton ban kit kendai ton. Kami kalau bagi kang kabaya baru ko kita ni banyak aku mungkin hasil. Waka kli apa kendai ton. Sekali sekolah sekarang dompar, sekolah ya kamu senang ni masuk banyak untuk surat pada dia. Dengan masuk orang pada kali kami itu berjalan, ya kami ingin melakukan kerana ini, ya kami bertanya ya Sofian dari berai kita ada baru di stakeholder di mana kita kali, berarti hampa mereka kali, berkenanya kali ini dalam ingin ya hidup ya kita sorka baru kali kita banyak publik ini kita.
Kum kadak jong kajing le buram khaddu ya kajing klat no jong Pope Francis ka National Party Youth Front kala penlong ya kajing thang mombati ban pen paw ya kajing snolem ha ka office jong ka seng menta ka sngi u president ke NPYF u ba Wailat Miki Shella u MP ka Rajya Sabha u Dr WR Khaluki baru MLA Barim u James Sangma kilayalam ya kani kajing le buram tak bathang ya ki mombati bat bo ya kajing duai Uba Shella ula batai ba Pope Francis ulong unong kershan jong ki baduk ba jong baro ki jaj ben riu da ka baong ba kajing klat no jong u kalong kajing do nong u James Sangma ula penpau da ka ba khot ya Pope unong yalam balang uba kraw balawan ra ya kajing kala ya kajing em jong ki briu lengba ki kam ki ba kraw jong u.
Everybody can. This is just a small program that because we want to join hands with each and everyone all over the country to honor the contribution of Pope Francis. As you know, he was like his contribution was enormous, especially to the poor and needy. So that's why we feel that we also should join hands with each and everyone. So today we organize this small program here. We have a small program where we light a candle in his honor and a small prayer.
Kajingele kai parlok hapadang ki pastor bat ki jongka KGP sinot sepngi bat ki officer sarkar klalong hamadan umsot kinshi kabahap ha Eastern West KHASI Hills ban penmi pisa nakabenta kajing shna ya ka Centenary Building Hospital Annex ha Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital Shillong. Hakani ka sngi lawan manyashim menta daw MLA ka Nongston uba Gabriel Walang kumu Kongsan u MLA ka Mauhati uba Charles Marngar kumu Simbut Kongsan baru chairman ka KHADC uba Strong Pillar Karjana kabala majpang ya ka Kamram Jong Kabalang hakabiade ba kajing Shakri hakaliang ka kot ka khia bat ka shnong ka thau hakajing yakun kabya khat bha ka kinhon jong ki officer kala penrem no ya ka kinhon jong ki pastor da ar lai wei Hakani kajing yakun la yo I ya kajing wan ya shimbenta jong ki trash nong kinong yalam balang bat kinong penyaj.
Lalambang Mission Hospital school mission ngam pharai ni kejela da dong kali jong dalong problem ko di Scotland Dr. Robert Hospital jadi kawai na oldest hospital ko kejela da baladamda dari hospital kata
Ka North Liberty High Secondary School sa Hisien Pat Kelalong Biang ka Lado ha barok ki jingelekay ha ka Limpong District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet ar hajar arpusan kelalong hakyang Nangba Stadium ya ka balapan long da ka office jong ka District Sports Officer ha ka jingetrey lang bat ka West Jantia District Sports Association da arpun riu tali kita kemaksiar kan riu tali kita kemarupa bat kan artali kita kemarnong ka NLHSS kalayo ru banra shalayeng ya ka khusnam best team habaro artli kikirdan jong kishen rang bat kentei ru kumjo hagani ka sngipin kut layadon lang daw MLA ka Jowai uba wailat miki shilla ha ka baka school Little Flower High Secondary School Ummulong kala sha ajiet kum ka best disciplined team ka St. Peter's High Secondary School kalalong ka Lado habaro ki Jingyakop ha ka Limpong yelekay ba Laipo jong ka West KHASI Hills Inter-School Sports Meet kablalong ha ki Laisngi hamadan nong pathar belapen long da ka office jong ka District Sports Officer ha ka Jingetrey lang bat ka NDSA kani ka Limpong kaladon ki Jingelekay ki ba itanat ha kirta yelekay ba pher lasami ki khusnam sya ka kinhon ka bala ban yelekay ba ha ki Henrio tuli ki kirdan ha ka ba ka school Maurang Secondary School ka Rambrai bat ka Sipsing High Secondary School kilalong na padeng ki school ki bala ban yelekay ba ka Mount Herman Academy kala job ya ka March Pass ha ka ba ikong Darlene Konglam Sports Officer na katanat Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ilasam ya ka khusnam bat penha perdano na ya ka ni ka Limpong mentangin ya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun meneng hatura ka jing kriat kalong arpuar degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong laipulai degree Celsius ka jing ngam ka haw mata ka sngi kalong saw punyaw na ka shispa ka jing hap slap kalong 10.2 millimeters haba pai pat kanong ba shilong ka jing kriat kalong khat lai degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong arpusan point real degree Celsius ka jing ngam ka haw mata ka sngi kalong san pupra na ka shispa ka jing hap slap kalong 1.0 millimeters kat bah Jowai pat ka jing kriat kalong khat pra degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong arpulai degree Celsius ka jing ngam ka haw mata ka si kalong riup kandai na ka shispa ka jing hap slap kalong 1.1 millimeters kalaban don ka jing hap slap ba malumala hakatto kani ki jaka hatura shulong bat Jowai te parlok atung ilapoy siya kabakot jong katup kubor jong imenta ka janmiet hado bang de siyam biang bat pila siya kasngi kablay pi baro